Imagine taking a short bike ride or stroll down to one of Lake Tahoe's most desirable and low-key town centers, resident beaches, skiing, golfing, and more. Here are our top 5 reasons this mountain chic lifestyle home at 900 Golfers Pass is a cut above the rest. Number 1. A 100% floor-to-ceiling remodel with luxurious and smart home feature finishes like Lutron lighting, quartzite waterfall island with pop-up outlets, reclaimed wooden beams, real wood mantel, smoothed walls, custom hardware, recycled boat wood mudroom accent, and more. Number 2. Ample storage spaces installed throughout, including an efficient garage with storage racks, EV charger capability, custom cabinetry, recessed lighting, custom wine fridge, plus an extra 276 square feet of unfinished crawl space to get creative. Number 3. Skylights, extra windows added and upgraded, and high ceilings pulling natural light pouring in even amongst the pines. Number 4. An immaculate private backyard landscape with app-controlled lighting, bubbler water fountain, 2 gates, and peak mountain views. And number 5, a custom bathroom / wet room with open shower and invisible drain, heated flooring, porcelain tub, vintage hardware, and marble countertops.